The OnePlus Nord 3 5G is expected to be released on July 21, 2022. The phone will be available in a variety of colors. OnePlus has discovered with the introduction of the Nord series to the market, it was an instant success. The company wants to improve the design and features of the current lineup. The Nord 3 5G is a new product from the company. The gadget is 8.2 mm thick and weighs 189 grams, making it slightly heavier than comparable Nord phones. The power button is on the right side of the phone, while the volume rocker is on the left. The Nord 3 5G comes with an on-screen fingerprint scanner for added security. The selfie camera serves as both a fingerprint sensor and a face unlock system. Operating system is installed on the phone. The phone comes pre-installed with Oxygen OS, which is based on Android 12. The brand new a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with a full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels is featured on the Nord phone. A punch hole design is included on the screen, and has a pixel density of 409 pixels per inch. The latest octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 1200 hipset powers the Nord 3 5G. The Mali G610 MC6 GPU is included in this smartphone. It comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage, but no support for external storage expansion. OnePlus equipped the Nord 3 with a triple rear camera system that features a 50-megapixel primary sensor with a f1.8 aperture, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and 2-megapixel macro sensor with f2.4 aperture. The phone sports a 16-megapixel wide-angle selfie camera on the front with a f2.5 aperture and the ability to make video calls. OnePlus has equipped the Nord 5G with a 4500 mAh battery that now enables 150-watt fast charging. Using a USB Type-C connector. The phone also has an on-screen fingerprint sensor, face unlock, and a Type-C music interface. Streaming is also available. This smartphone also included features like 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, 4G Volt, USB OTG, NFC, GPS, light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, compass, and gyroscope are all included. What are your thoughts on this phone? Post a comment. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell button to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.